Hey, gorgeous souls! Looking to boost productivity and discover new income streams from home? We're diving into remote work secrets to stay focused, energized, and joyful from your couch, or home office, or kitchen table. With 3 free courses you can access anytime. We will reveal later at the end of these video. Get ready to explore strategies to maximize your efficiency, plus 7 ways to make money online from home. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Welcome back to a new free courses tutorial in our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's unlock some incredible learning opportunities together. Let's do this, efficiently and effectively. This first course is a game changer, my friend. It's called Working Remotely, Efficiently and Effectively, packed with strategies to transform your work from home game. Create a dedicated workspace, set boundaries to minimize distractions, and master time management techniques. This course equips you to thrive in remote work. Second course is Best Practices for Working Remotely. In this course, you will learn ways to communicate to stay accountable and social with your colleagues, best practices for running meetings, virtually suggestions for accountability and productivity when working from home, ideas for structuring and planning your day and workspace for optimal results. Quick tips for managers leading teams in a remote world. Third course is 7 Best Ways to Make Money Online from Home. In this course, you will learn 7 proven ways to make money online, including free tools for each strategy, so you can pick the right method for you and take action today. In this chapter, we're getting inspiring advice from a rock star in remote work. Shelley Osborne, VP of Learning at company name. Shelley shares her best tips to thrive in a remote environment and set yourself up for success. We're talking about creating a morning routine that energizes you, setting clear boundaries between work and personal life, and staying connected with colleagues in meaningful ways. Ready to unlock new income streams and create financial freedom? This chapter is for you. We're diving into 7 proven ways to make money online. You can do all of this from home, from freelancing to online tutoring to affiliate marketing. We'll explore each strategy, discuss earning potential, and share free tools to get started. Chapter 4, Freelancing. Your skills, your time, your way. Freelancing leverages your skills and creates a flexible schedule. We'll explore freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find clients and start earning from day one. Chapter 5, Online Tutoring. Share your knowledge, empower others. Are you passionate about a subject? Do you love helping others learn and grow? Online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle or even a full-time career. Platforms like Tutor.com and VIP Kid connect you with eager students of all ages. Chapter 6, Affiliate Marketing. Earn passive income while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is like having your own online sales team working for you 24/7. In this chapter, we'll dive into affiliate marketing, explore popular networks, and discuss strategies for choosing the right products and reaching your target audience. Chapter 7, Content Creation. Share your voice, build your empire. If you have a message, story, or passion to share, content creation could be your calling. We'll explore content creation platforms, discuss strategies for building an audience, and dive into monetization methods like ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. Chapter 8, Online Surveys and Market Research. Get paid for your opinion. Did you know you can get paid for sharing your opinions? Companies seek valuable consumer insights, and online surveys are a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Do you excel at organization, communication, and managing tasks? Do you enjoy helping others succeed? A career as a virtual assistant could be your perfect match. Businesses rely on virtual assistants for tasks like email management, scheduling, social media, and customer support. We'll explore the skills needed to become a successful VA, discuss ways to find clients, and share tips for setting rates and building a thriving VA business. Chapter 10, Online Course Creation. Package your expertise, impact the world. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge to share? Creating and selling online courses is a great way to package your expertise, reach a global audience, and generate passive income. Wow, you made it! We've covered so much today, from productivity secrets to income opportunities. Ready to enhance your work-from-home experience and boost your income? Check out the 3 free courses linked below and start your journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, inspiration, and resources. Now go out there and make it happen.